Alright, today we got my friend's LS400 right here, and as you can see, we're not low, so today we're going to be going a bit lower, and to go lower, you got to tuck the wiring harness in the front. So right now we're about to take off the wheel, well, about to get the jack under it, then we're going to take off the wheels, and then, yeah,
There's the wiring harness.
Yeah, we're going to tuck that, and probably roll the fenders, roll them, and yeah, as you can see, the back is already steezy, almost. Not really. Almost steez. He's almost got steez. But like a 1 finger gap.
The one being.
But yeah, we're about to get to it. And yeah, got the car lifted up, the wheels off. And now we got the wiring harness as well, just unclipped and stuff. So now we're gonna go ahead and drill the holes right in the
Little pinch.
Yeah, a little pinch, and then yeah, so
Let you know how that go from there.
yeah, we're gonna let you know how that go. So this is how the tuck is coming. Here we go, little tuck and stuff. We're just not right here because a little bit of a drawing board problem, but yeah, can't really see the wiring harness no more, so that's good. Now they're gonna do the other side, and then just lower the coilovers more, and then yeah, we're gonna see the final product after that. So you just gotta get to it. Also, as you can see, this one is tucked as well, tucked better than the driver's side. And yeah, now the only thing we got to do is lower these. Oh dang, this one wasn't even tight. Well, good, because we're gonna lower it anyways. But yeah, we're gonna lower it, and then see how it looks after that. But yeah, that's basically it for the tucking. So yeah, so this is how it's looking. We're basically done. I mean, we is done. That's 1 inch in the front lower, and then yep, got full turning radius and everything, and it's like a finger. Still could go lower, but we're gonna wait to put in the spacers and everything. But yeah, that's how it's looking. Final product, wire tuck and everything. Could go a little lower over here, I'm pretty sure, but yeah, turns and everything, and yeah, it's basically how it looks. So I think that's what we're gonna cap it off at. And until next time, yep, we steezy.